We had a happy journey for the past 40 days. My greetings to all the participants. My pranams to Patriji. Many of us owe to Sri Karthikeyanji for our participation in this program. Great many thanks to Mr. Chandra and Vani Madam for the way in which they conducted the whole meditation course. The pre and post words of wisdom from Chandra and the commentary during the meditation are something very great, and all have been benefited. More than that, the masters, the young souls that we found in Naga Pradeep, Kalini, Ital, Sudhi Nair, and the experiences from the young ladies like Santi Priya and Sapna Suresh, and great leaders like Mr. Dhingra, Mr. Dr. Chidambaram, and many more from even from Lawrence IBM, Sridhar, Varun Daga, Karthika, and they all have said the benefit they have been able to get after undergoing this meditation course conducted by you with the great masters. And something, everyone feel that why they have not undergone this course much earlier than this period. That way, I'm extremely happy that this course of meditation has given a lot of learning to every one of us. That way, I'm sure in business also, to succeed, meditation will certainly give you the strength, the thought power, the learning power, how to deal with it. The first we'll have to listen before taking any decisions. And there are many such lessons. And also the books recommended by Mr. Chandra, and the learnings from what we heard from Sren Daga, and so many masters, the books written by Placebo, You Are the Placebo, like that, many biotechnology, and so many things has helped us. We'll have to read books, practice meditation has been the golden words of Patriji and also Mr. Chandra. That way, I think we are all benefited. We should not stop, as rightly said by Dr. Ramani. We should all get to know each other. Maybe after this COVID, we should all meet once at least in Pyramid Valley at Bangalore, so that we get to know each other. That way we can create a good relationship between us and go about in knowing with each other. That way, I think the further courses also will go on bring in new faces, new people, and that way we'll have to spread. As rightly said by Mr. Venkat Reddy, we should go on expanding it. We should go see to it that is brought in the schools as syllabus, which already Chandra has said that we have done it in Bangalore, maybe to spread it to all other states also. And that way, I think help of Mr. T.R. Karthikeyanji is very helpful. He is trying to propagate it to all over the places, not only in India, abroad also. That way, the Buddha CEO Foundation, which we are now just formed, will bring new life to the entire people of the country and abroad about the meditation. I think I agree. Meditation is ultimate, not only for the physical health, for the internal health, for inner health. It is going to be a very great help, and that going to see to it the people of the citizens of the world is going to see a new future. With these few words, I wish to congratulate Mr. Chandra, Vani Madam, and all the masters who have done a great job in propagating the meditation. Thank you, Mr. Chandra.